Dylan just got his very first bike helmet. Look at this, Dylan. Do you like it? Yes! Yes! This is Dylan's first bike helmet. It is so cool. Yes, it is. Let's see, does he? Ay, 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 ay. Yes. Look at those flames. Yes. It's very exciting, isn't it? So many possibilities.
Wow.
Yes. I want to go biking. Yes, I do.
Put it on his head.
Let's see. Let's try. Put it in his head. We'll trial that. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Yay. There's
Wow, Dylan.
You
Look at you.
So cool.
Your first bike helmet, buddy.
Yay. Yay. Okay, we can take it off. All right.